What up, though, fam? It's your homie Grand Tizzle, and we are back. Welcome back to another fun, exciting tutorial where I'm going to show you how to make masterpieces in just a few seconds. First thing we're going to do is we're back in Flyer Studio, and we're going to click AI Pro Studio. That's the purple little stars. And we're going to go ahead and start selecting our content. So we're going to select a flyer, and we want to redesign this flyer. Make a completely, totally different look out of this flyer. And we're not going to use a reference image this time. And this is the primary reason for this tutorial. We did an upgrade. We still have the option to use a reference flyer, but we're going to use something different. We're going to do something different. So let's go ahead and select an image of the character, the main person, at Caprice Classic. So you can see this actually looked pretty good. This cover really looks really decent, but we're going to give it a completely, totally different look. So what we're going to do is select Airbrush Urban. And we're going to go down here to this new section. You may not notice it, but it's a brand new section called Generation Strategy. And we have the reference, director, creative director, or the hybrid. What this does, actually, I'll do another tutorial breaking down the details of each button. But basically, what this is going to do is it's going to lean heavily on the prompt that we got designed there. And it's going to also allow this image to come through and some of the personality to come out. So let's go ahead, since we got everything selected, we're going to go ahead and hit the box. Or matter of fact, we'll just hit that 2/3, and we'll hit render. And we'll wait and see what the result is and see how much it changed. Boom. Absolutely stunning, stunning result. It's so beautiful. And so we went from this Caprice Classic to the airbrush version of her right here. So as you can see, and I want to show you one more thing. Let's hit render one more time. And I'm going to show you how diverse this is, the variation that it gives you. I'm talking about it's designed and programmed to where everything changed completely. And so you're always going to be pleasantly surprised with another option. So let's go ahead and render that and see what we can come up with. Boom. Look at the stunning, stunning results. Look at how they moved her hand. They changed the outfit. They changed the entire color. Notice the shadows inside the letters, the glints, the highlights, different things like that. Detroit City in the background. Detroit put on the apparel. So the app is designed, the architecture behind the app is very deep. I'll break it down in my advanced tutorials that's being created right now. But this app, it was designed to be extremely user-friendly. But the technology behind the app is beyond comprehensive. You wouldn't be able to look and comprehend how it was designed and developed. But it was primarily made specifically for people that need dynamic imagery at the snap of a finger. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you tie in, and I will be back. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and we'll be back to explore even more depth out of this app. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. See you in a minute. See you want to spin it. Deuces.